Good morning and welcome back to 50 Somethings. Today's video, as promised, is going to be documenting our custom cabinet build. We had a local Panamanian named Orlando Abansteria build us some custom solid teakwood cabinets. And as you can see here they are in his shop right before he prepped them to bring them to our home. We are very excited, and our next video is him pulling up with the cabinets. Here he is arriving now with the bedroom portion. This first load is going to be the build just for the bedroom closet. They did this in two portions. So the beginning part of this video is the bedroom closet build. We will talk a little bit more about this as we go along. I hope you do enjoy. These are absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait for you to see the finished project. As you can see, Panda is also very happy to see Orlando, just as much as we are, I think. So if you are new to our channel, thank you for watching 50 Somethings, and thank you for subscribing. Enjoy the video and more later.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Nelson.
Nelson. Okay. Mucho gusto.
Igualmente.
This next section is going to be the closet build in the master bedroom, pretty much in its entirety. I let the camera run for about 2 hours, and so this will be a truncated version of that build. It is solid teak, as I told you earlier, and they have 3 of them putting this together. Absolutely beautiful craftsmanship. I do hope you will enjoy, and I will post a couple of stills of this in process after this truncated version. They had to move the bed out of the way so that they would have room to work because our house is just so small. But we made do, and they did a beautiful job. The owner, Orlando, is the gentleman in the red shirt. Very young man, and he has such a lucrative business. He is so talented. His waiting list was 2 months because his craftsmanship is just that good, and it was definitely worth the wait. See me popping in here from time to time, getting some photos and just supervising. But I just wanted to make mention here that since we have been in Panama, it has been a true pleasure to help the local Panamanians and support the local businesses. Just look at the quality, look at what hard workers they are. We go out of our way to find and support the locals here, and it just makes me very happy to do so. What wonderful people that they are. Orlando completely customized this build for us. The closet, as you can see here, has 4 sections. It has a short clothing section, a long clothing section, a section for a dresser, a section for our laundry hamper, and then a section for where you could, for shelving. The shelving all comes out on drawer type rails for easy access. The sliding doors also have a mirror on one side for space saving. As you know, our cottage has very little space and we've had to add all the storage. So in an effort to save room, and instead of buying a dresser, we built a dresser in the closet. Instead of buying a full-length mirror, we added the full-length mirror to the closet. It's all about saving space in a 1,000 square foot cottage. Orlando did a fantastic job giving us everything we asked for with this beautiful closet. I am absolutely in love with it. So after this, we will get on to the kitchen build. Before they could start building the unit onto the wall here, Nelson had to pry off the old tile base plate, and that is what he is doing here. The cabinet unit, which you start seeing being brought in here, is actually 3 sections. It is a floor-to-ceiling unit, and each section is fully customized by us, again, per our requests, and Orlando fulfilled them perfectly. And you are going to see them bringing the sections in one by one and installing them, and it literally goes from the floor all the way to the ceiling. Again, we thought it would make the house look smaller, and we were wrong. It actually makes the place look much bigger. and we have so much more room. We had no room to put any of our dishes, any of our food, or anything. As you can see here, this little white rolling rack underneath the counter is where we were storing food. We had other racks also in the cottage. All of these racks go away, freeing up floor space, making the kitchen look so much bigger because all of these items now go in this floor-to-ceiling wall unit. It is absolutely fantastic. Just like with the bedroom unit, I will do a truncated version of this video and show you some stills of the finished product afterwards. This is an absolutely gorgeous finished piece in solid teakwood. We are in love. So the bottom portion of this one has 3 drawers on the left. The center piece is cabinets and the right side is cabinets. Initially, we were going to put our garbage on the right side, but we decided to use it for storage instead. Then the top 2 sections are all cabinets, and we are using them for small appliances, food, and just absolutely anything we can think of. You can tell how tall this thing is because the guys putting it together are up on ladders just trying to reach everything to work on it. It was very fun to watch them work, very skilled, and these are beautiful. I cannot stress enough just how impressed we are with Orlando's workmanship. Just beautiful. We have touched on the fact that we moved to Panama last October, and you all know, if you've been following us for a while, that we actually drove through the United States for 4 months before driving to Panama in October. So you already knew that, and you probably know why we moved to Panama if you've been following us for a while. But if you are new to our channel and you don't want to go back through a year's worth of videos, you might want to tune in on June 18th to Panama Relocation Tours. They interviewed us a couple of weeks ago and are going to be premiering our story on their channel. And we are going to post a link to the interview about us here on our channel, 50 Something, so that you can watch that. So they asked us a whole bunch of questions about the whys and the hows of why we came to Panama and to Volcan. And it's thanks to Panama Relocation Tours that we are here today. So we want to give them a great big shout out, and we do hope that you will tune in and watch our interview with Panama Relocation Tours on June 18th. And we will post more about this for you soon in our channel here. So please stay tuned for that. As always, Gary and I would like to thank you for your support of our small but growing YouTube channel, 50 Somethings. We enjoy making these videos for you, and your likes, follows, and shares really do help us grow in more ways than you realize. So for your support, a large, welcoming thank you. As always, thank you for being a loyal supporter of 50 Somethings, and have a wonderful day.